Dara. Ano na? Ganda yung nasa mouth mo? Ay, naku. Iwanan na tayo ng tray, no? Umalis na yung tray. Tayo nandito pa rin. Awa na to. Awa na to. Awa na to. Awa na to. Bilisan mo na. Yung ibang kids, you're not excited to go to school? Ha? The other kids na excited na. They wake up early. They eat so fast. They take a bath so very fast. Kasi they're excited to go into school. How about you, Kitlin? Dalihan mo na't mag-drink ka ng medicine para sa medicine nose, running nose. Mag-chew ng mabilis. Ay, ikaw, Pet. 1, 2. Init pa ka talaga mag-gum. 3. 4. Yung what? 4.5. 5. You need to count pa para mag-test ka ng ano? Ano yan? Ito na! Ay, Kendra! What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, no! Ala, sige. Wala yung kamuti mo at patatas mo. Wala na. Ilaw pa, durog na. Ay, naku, amoy Kendra na yan. Uy! Siya. Oh, you have last one. Faster. 1. Ay, kailangan ko pa talaga magbilang. 1, 2, 3. What time na, oh? Naku, 10 na, oh. So, 10 oras talaga bitli ng gugulin sa'yo bago ka makarating sa school. Ano ba yan? Turtle ka ba? Turtle ka? Kasi yung turtle is very, very slow mag-walk. Oo, ganyan ka.
He goes fast in the water.
Yan, doon ka magaling. Dal. Bilisan mo na yan, tapos mag-pick a bath na. Bang, 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 bang,